Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you a little video. I'm sorry about the way the camera is sort of showing the picture. I'll try to adapt it as good as I can, but my stand is kind of wonky. I hear a lot of people saying I cannot remove the filament. I cannot remove the PTFE tube because the filament is stuck inside the extruder. Now, there are three places you can dislodge the fix this problem by removing the filament tube, but only one of these places is actually easy to do it. I see a lot of people saying you need to print a tool, this tool. So you can press down on this black ring that holds this PTFE tube. Problem is, everything is in a really hard tension if you have the AMS unit, like here in my case I put it to the side. If the AMS unit is sort of stuck and you want to get the filament out here. Now I'm going to show you the three ways to do this. One, you can force this up, but I do not recommend doing that because hang on a second. This is the extruder. Inside the extruder you have these gears. When you forcefully pull the filament, you will basically force pull through this hole that you see here, or from the top here. And if the filament has become like this inside, it can very well damage the extruder if you force pull that. So the best option you always have is to manage to release the tension of the PTFE tube so you can go in and cut the filament here. But this is one of the hardest places because the length you need to pull the PTFE tube out to be able to cut the filament is very long. This is the longest part. You cannot use the cutter because the cutter will most likely have cut the filament already on the underside of the extruder, so it's not going to help because it's stuck inside the extruder. Now the second place, let me see if I can show you, is behind here. Inside or on the back side here you can try to dislodge the PTFE tube and cut the filament. But that is the second hardest place because it's on the right hand side, and for most people, like me at least, it's hard to get to. Now there is a third place, and this is where I also recommend having an unit like this. Now in my case, the filament from the AMS comes through this PTFE tube into this one and then here. Now this one is kind of hard to remove, but this one here is the intake of the PTFE on the back. This has almost no length of PTFE tube inside it, so I'm going to show you what I usually do to dislodge it. I'll just see if I can hold the cam in place while it does that. Let's see. So currently I have loaded some filament and there is a lot of tension, so I will not be able to just get it out like that. So what I usually do is I put my thumb in like this and I put pressure on it, and then while I put pressure on it I take out the PTFE tube like this, and then I go in and I cut it there. And by doing this, you have released all the tension from this here, so you can just use your finger and pull it out. And voila! Now you can just cut the filament there, and in some cases you can unload it, but in most cases it will be stuck inside. You have to take off the extruder. So that is my sure way of easily, I don't know if you saw there, but I didn't use almost any pressure to bend this filament out. And once you do this, you can also make the AMS pull the filament back. So I hope this was really helpful for you, because I have tried to remove it from the print head, I've tried to remove it from the right hand side, and both of those times were hard to get to. And I really recommend using a divider like this. You can buy them on the Bambu website. So you have one cable. This one comes from the roller on the back, and this one is just if I have something like in this case I have a drying box that I can actually print directly from, and you can just put the third one directly to there. But anyway, the main goal of this video was to show you that do not listen to anyone online saying that, oh, you should just go in and give this a thug, because that is the hardest place. You basically push the PTFE tube down almost 10 millimeters, and when you have this tension on it, you can ruin the extruder or cause damage to the extruder if you try to pull the filament. In my case, on the back here, when I press this, I don't pull the filament at all. All I do is I make a wedge of the PTFE tube so I can get in between and cut the filament. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.